Alright, so I'm going to be doing a Lexan glass install. So what I'm going to start off by doing is on the inside I can see the glue kind of right here. Well, I'll try to remove this trim, but I think I can hit the definitely hit the glue on this side. So I'm going to cut it with a utility knife. And for these sides, I can get up in there and I can see the glue from there to cut. So I'm going to cut the glue from on this side too, and then try to pull this glass off. So hopefully this doesn't take me too long to do this little Lexan glass install, but we'll see how smart I really am. I've never done it before, so hopefully I can figure it out pretty quick. Boy, I was dumb as hell thinking that I would be able to get that shit off with just a utility knife. Alright, so it's the next day. I went and got a mixture of these tools. Just this knife, this, and as you can see, this too. This helps a lot right here. And then I just use a pry bar. Whatever I cut, I would pry it and get more, so it would stretch the glue, make it easier to cut. So here we are here. I'm just gonna get some of this glue off, try to scrape that as best as I can. Alright, so I went ahead and shaved it down as best I could. It's not like it's holding back oil, so sorry, I had a ladybug on me. So I wasn't too anal about it. Probably could have did better if I had like some kind of, not a grinder, but some kind of buffer or some shit. But this is what it's gonna be, and I'm gonna lay the glass over it just to see how it fits. But the way I took it off was I got the sides, I got the rear, so the sides, rear, that side, and then I tried to cut as much as I could over here on this edge, cut as much as I could over here, and then I lifted the glass up and just kind of wiggled it, you know, until it broke itself free of the glue here, or when it lifted itself up enough to where I could see. And then I just got my knife and just started cutting. So that's how I got it. Okay, so I still had the blue tape over it, so that's what you see. I'm gonna peel the tape off in just a second, but I wanted to say something. So I got this polycarbonate, whatever it's called, Lexan, professionally done. It's formed to shape the original OEM glass. It is not just a piece of Lexan that you have to make fit. It is formed exactly the OEM glass was. So this sits pretty much perfectly. So yeah, you see, sits perfectly. I don't have to do nothing. See, that's the same little gap I had when I was with the OEM glass. And I have this that they sent with it. Oh, so I'm gonna use this, and if I feel like I need to, I will rivet a little bit, but I don't want to rivet if I don't have to. All right, let's pull off this blue tape. Don't want it to lift up. Hang on, I'm gonna do this off the camera. All right, so the thing about Lexan glass is that it can scratch easily. And once it starts scratching, then it gets harder to see out the rear. So you gotta be careful how you clean these things. And just be all around, you know, just careful. Or conscious, I guess you could say, that it could scratch. So just be aware that you can't just wash it just like regular OEM glass. But this is it. As you can see, it sits down perfectly. And this is the company, Plastics for Performance. All right, and that does it. Just gotta wait for that silicone to dry. Peace.